Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's going to be a weekly reset. It's the first day of spring and I'm so excited. Happy spring. I hope you guys are just as excited. I'm excited for the sun to come out. I hate the freaking weather, like I hate the heat, but I love the sun. So though I do like it gloomy sometimes. Anyways, it's going to be a weekly reset. I have some errands to run, some things that we need for our place, and get some things that we need for our son, and just clean up the place as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys like videos like this, please let me know in the comments so that way I could continue to make them. Let's go ahead and head to Target and I'll see you guys there. You guys, Target has the cutest sets right now. I want to get this one. I have this one already for him and I'll have it linked in my bio just in case you guys are interested. Look how cute this one is too. They have so many. Oh my gosh, look at this one. How cute. You guys, how cute are these little swimmers? My son is obsessed with Nemo, and these are so cute for summertime. Oh my gosh. He would literally love these so much. Oops. These are so cute.
Blueberry pop.
Look how cute for little girls. And they're on sale right now, and they have other colors too. Hey guys, I'm trying to be quiet because my son is asleep in the back, but these diapers that we're looking for are so hard to find right now. Like the Millie Moon diapers, I think it's because there's a sale on them, but we've had to go to 3 different Targets and I'm like, what the heck? Like, we need these diapers, but there's like a sale. If you buy 75 or something, you get like a $20 gift card. So I think that's probably why they're sold out, but I'm literally praying that they have them in this Target because this is our 3rd Target we went to, but hopefully they have them. I just washed right now. I'm gonna fold them all. This is so many clothes. It's literally all 3 of ours. Just finished folding everything. I put them in order, I guess, of my stuff, my boyfriend's stuff, and then all the baby's clothes. These are gonna be getting all hung up, and then my son's clothes, mine, and my boyfriend's. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Just know my arms are killing me. I did this in literally, I feel like 10 minutes. We are back home. We got the diapers. Thankfully they had them. Oh my gosh, we were like, I was getting so worried. I was like, we're gonna have to just get them in one size up because obviously he needs them. But anyways, thankfully we found them. We got some Chick-fil-A, so we're about to eat. My son's like staring at me. I'm gonna go bring in the dog right now, but we're just gonna eat some Chick-fil-A and I'm gonna finish cleaning up here and organizing, which you guys probably already seen. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.